Testing, testing. This is Alpha Turner. I'm doing my Module 1 Excel Zoom report from Ms. Ben's class. I'm going to start off with number 1, Module 4, Math Model Review. The profit of a company that produces discount stickers can be modeled by the quadratic function P, quotation X, in quotation, equals 4X squared 2 minus 32X minus 240, and X is the number of pair of sneakers sold. Sorry about that. Create a table and a graph in Excel and label all parts. As you can see, I already have it over here. Label the parts. You see some more work in the table. Highlight the order pairs, y-intercept, vertex, and the approximate point where the profit is approximately $500, and highlight the order pair for the x-intercept. Moving on with it, on the graph, highlight y-intercept, x-intercept, vertex, and the point where the profit is $500. Write a summary. Initial investment sneaker company, the work they did, how much did they have to sell to break even, how many pairs the sneakers had to make 500, and a conclusion. Well, as you can see, I made my graph. I got my numbers right here. I had to highlight them in Excel just to print this out. That dot right there stood for the initial investment, which is number 1. And you see I got them labeled right here. 2, the worst, it's $304. They broke even by selling 13 pair. Sold 19 pair to make $500, which is the X up here. And my conclusion, the company started off investing $240. It took a loss at the beginning, but after selling 13 pair, they made $20, but when they sold 19 pair, they made over $500. Moving on to number 2, Module 2, probability review. If a 6-sided dice are rolled one time, find the probability of getting the following results. Given answer is fraction decimals. Fraction decimals should be in percentages. A, B, C, and D. A sum of 5 noted. P, sum of 5. A sum of 4 and 9. Doubles rolled. A sum greater than equal to 12. You see, I made my little sketch here. The same thing that's over here. I made right here with the 1, 1, 1, 2, X, all the way to 6,6. So the first one I got, sum of 5 is 1/9. Decimal is 0.111. Percentage is 0.1110. Number B, letter B, I got 7/36. 0.194, 19.40%. And on C, I got 1/2, which is 0.550%. And D, I got 1/36, which is 0.027. And the percentage is 277. And it just took a little bit of math of getting them ounces. You pretty much, if you was gonna get 5, you would count. You would go to each one and count up to 5. That's how I got my math. I demonstrated it in my homework. I'm pretty sure I'm covered in that. Moving on to number 3. Module 3, statistics review. Generate 3 sets of 25 random numbers in Excel. Calculate the mean, the median, standard deviation. Number 3, I choose these numbers right here: 44, 21, 1, 77. It wanted me to give you a, hold on. Yeah, they wanted me to get, the mean is the average of numbers. The median is the value separating the higher half from the lower half of the data sample, and statistics, and the standard deviation is the measurement that is used to qualify the amount of variation or dispense of the set of data values. What I did for my random numbers, I selected from 0 through 99. And number 4, I'm pretty sure you said don't worry about doing this one. Number 5, finance review created a chart for and how much money will you have left over every month after paying these fixed expenses, given that his monthly take-home pay is $3,008.97. You got your numbers right here. What I did, I just built my own little graph over here and broke each one down, and I got my the monthly take-home, adding all these numbers up and then subtracting about that, and that's how I got that $1,306.13. And number 6, I'm pretty sure they wanted me to do a pie chart using the information from the number 5. Yep, same one. Create a pie chart showing the percentage of every expense, and I pretty much only thing I did with that, I highlighted my numbers. I got my numbers again, and I highlighted them, and it showed a budget. You see the blue with student loan, the car payment, etc. I got it all broke down inside the pie chart. I really do appreciate everyone's time, especially Ms. Benzie. I'm going to try to find this video right now and submit it to YouTube. Thank you.